While most investors were so busy focusing on Bitcoin news out of Washington, the Cartesi token was rocketing higher. So what do you need to know? What is Cartesi's price prediction and is it a good investment? Keep watching the video till the end. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the Cartesi token and its price predictions. So stay tuned till the end of the video to learn about it and its price in 2021 and furthermore. But before we get into the video, this video's information is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. It is not intended to be investing, financial, or trading advice. The cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and crypto investments are risky. So before making any crypto investments, you should conduct your study on cryptocurrencies and consult with your financial advisor. So let's jump to our topic. Cartesi, CTSI, has grabbed the attention of several crypto investors after the recent rapid rise to a new all-time high of $1.75. CTSI is the native crypto token of the Cartesi network, which tries to solve a significant challenge for blockchain developers: computational scalability. It also tries to make blockchain transactions more affordable. Cartesi is taking smart contracts to the next level. It is solving the urgent difficulty of scalability and high fees on blockchains by achieving a variant of optimistic rollups. Most prominently, Cartesi is transforming smart contract programming by enabling developers to code with mainstream software stacks. Noether is Cartesi's sidechain that's optimized for ephemeral data, rendering low-cost data availability to DApps. Cartesi ranks among the best-performing altcoins lately. Although several traders are earning profits after the recent spike, the token still dons a more than 70% gain in the last 7 days and more than a 100% gain in the past month. That defeats Dogecoin's 30% increase over the previous 7 days. It also smacks Ether's 30% rise in the last 7 days and 90% gain in the last month. Cartesi spurted to the latest all-time high after it obtained a listing on Coinbase, the largest crypto exchange in the US. Fans have praised the Coinbase listing with the expectation that it will improve the token's exposure to investors, particularly institutional investors. The Cartesi price is trading at 68.7898 cents with a 24-hour trading volume of $41,949,559 as of September 15. However, Cartesi has progressed by 2.2% in the last 24 hours. Cartesi is facing a hard time getting on board with other crypto coins in the market. The CTSI has been falling to almost negative 29.78 in the last 7 days. The currency is still giving risky framing segments for the past few days. The coin might have solid fundamentals, but we don't think it would be a profitable asset in the short term. In addition to the Coinbase effect, CTSI also profits from a rush to find the next Bitcoin and Ether, which have produced blockbuster returns for investors since their launch. Investors are keen to know Cartesi's price prediction after seeing the token's rapid rise in recent days and then an attempt by some traders to get profit. Will Cartesi continue rising or begin a downtrend? The token gives an optimistic price forecast. It is predicted by wallet investors that Cartesi will be about $3.68 a year from now and that its value will exceed $12 in 5 years. Digital Coin Price projects Cartesi will end 2021 at $1.76, indicating a 40% upside from the current price. It also predicts the token's price to surpass $4 in 2025. Gov Capital is much more bullish than the above two and assumes the coin to reach $2.1801 in 1 year, implying a likely upside of 160%. Cartesi is one of the cryptos which is excellent for long-term investment. In addition, Cartesi price prediction is bullish for the short term. It has a great chance of striking $1.70 by the end of this year. However, this will only occur if many previous psychological barriers are crushed. Furthermore, with the improvements and upgrades on the Cartesi ecosystem, the performance of Cartesi would grow, approaching $2 very soon. But it might also reach $5 if the investors believe that Cartesi is a good purchase in 2021. While it's difficult to rely on any of these predictions, the overall trend for the token should be upwards, given its ample untapped potential. While CTSI has witnessed a steep climb recently, there are many upsides left in the token. The token has a fixed supply, and the broader adoption of Cartesi should push the token price up. As it connects the gap between mainstream software and smart contracts, developers should find value in the network. In 2021, the price of Cartesi is expected to reach a minimum price level of 42 cents. The CTSI price can reach a maximum value of 46 cents with an average trading price of 44 cents. In 2022, the price of Cartesi is predicted to attain a minimum value of 62 cents. The CTSI price can reach a maximum level of 73 cents with an average trading price of 64 cents. CTSI's investment potential will depend on how well the Cartesi network is utilized. Cartesi is aiding in solving real-world issues of scalability and high fees of blockchains. It promotes the mainstream programmability of providing mainstream software stacks, which will help advance the adoption of blockchain. Cartesi has been a big champion for investors. It has grown 3,000% year-to-date and owns a lifetime return on investment of more than 8,000%. The token's price forecast records that it will proceed to rise. The fixed supply of the token and the adoption of the Cartesi network provide potent catalysts for a price hike. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. What do you think about Cartesi? Would you invest in it? Do let us know.